Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In today's quick video, I will show you how to use Auto Spin in Slotomania. Auto Spin is a handy feature that lets the reel spin automatically so you can sit back and relax and enjoy the game without tapping every time. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Slotomania app on your Android or iOS device, and once you're inside, select the slot you want to play. Choose the slot from the menu that appears, and then after loading a slot, go ahead and look for this page over here. Locate the spin button at the bottom right in green. Tap on the spin button to spin the slot for one time. To set auto spin, tap and hold the spin button and then choose how many spins you'd like to run automatically. After making a selection, the reels will spin automatically until your chosen number of spins is complete. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to use auto spin in Slotomania. You can also manually stop the spin by tapping the stop button at the bottom right corner. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more quick tutorials and gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.